Yeah! Welcome back to Lingo Kids Crafts. Today, we are going to draw something that you see at night when you look up to the sky. Sometimes, this object appears as a full circle. Other times, only parts of it show. Many cultures have invented stories about this mystical sphere in the sky. Have you guessed it yet? That's right! Today, we will be drawing a moon. So grab your pencil and a sheet of paper, and let's get started.
That's right.
Let's start by drawing a big square. This will be our background sky. Inside that big square, let's draw half a moon. Begin by drawing a big curve going inwards from right to left, inside our sky. This will be your main curve. Great job! Now, create a rounded corner on the bottom left-hand side of your main curve and continue drawing another curve going inwards until it reaches the top corner of your main curve. Make another rounded corner. You just drew a crescent moon. We call a moon a crescent moon when we can only see part of it. Our crescent moon looks like a delicious croissant, don't you think? Did you know that the moon doesn't create light itself? When the moon is shining in the night sky, what you see is actually the sun's light reflected off the moon's surface. The moon goes around the Earth in 27 days, and the Earth orbits, which means to go around the sun in 365 days. And so, the sun lights up different parts of the moon, making it seem as if the moon is changing. Now, right here, right above the bottom main curve of your moon, draw another outward curve that goes across your moon from right to left. This small part will be a small shadow. Great job, everybody! Finally, let's give our moon a little texture. Inside different parts of our moon, draw small ovals. You can draw them next to the edges as half ovals and as full ovals inside your moon. You can also make some ovals smaller than others. It's up to you. These are the moon's craters. Did you know that the moon is full of rocky craters, which are very big holes, sitting on the surface of the moon? Now it's time to add colors and make our moon shine bright. You can follow our suggestions or choose your own colors. It's up to you. For our moon, we will be using gray, dark gray, and purple. First, use the gray crayon to color our moon. Don't forget to draw around the ovals. Then, use the dark gray crayon to color inside the ovals. Use that same crayon to also shade our shadow, which is the small part between the main curve and the little curve we drew earlier inside our moon. Finally, take your purple crayon and color the background. Again, make sure to color around our beautiful moon. Well done, everyone! Parents, your child has done an amazing job! We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingo Kids families around the world. Just tag us.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels, and the full interactive adventure in the Lingo Kids app.